MP Pro is a powerful blue alkaline cleaner and degreaser designed to perform quickly to maintain hygiene in food environments. It's a food-safe cleaner and will dissolve and float away the toughest of grime to leave a spotless finish. When cleaning a microwave, a controlled cleaning method is required, so be careful when you spray the chemical into the interior and avoid the elements at the top and the vents at the side. Using a damp cloth, give the surface sides and heating plate a thorough clean. For heavily soiled areas, give the MP Pro some contact time and the dirt will lift away more easily. When clean, rinse your cloth out and wipe away any chemical residue from inside the microwave. When cleaning the outside and glass of a microwave, don't use any chemical at all. This could cause irreparable damage, so just use a damp cloth and dry off with a dry cloth or paper towel. Cleaning a microwave with MP Pro. Use a controlled cleaning method, avoiding the elements and vents. Use a damp cloth and keep rinsing for a consistent clean. Give the chemical contact time for heavily soiled areas. Don't use any chemical on the outside and glass, just a damp cloth, and dry off with a dry cloth or paper towel to avoid smears.